If you're considering Fieldwire for your construction management needs, there are 12 critical things you need to know before making a decision. Stick around because we'll also share an alternative that could be an even better fit for your needs. First, Fieldwire excels at task management. It's designed to help teams assign, track, and complete tasks efficiently on construction sites. But compared to Procore or Buildertrend, it lacks certain advanced project scheduling features that larger teams may find indispensable. Next thing, its blueprint management is solid, allowing you to upload and annotate plans easily. However, competitors like PlanGrid often provide a smoother experience when it comes to handling high-volume revisions. The third thing is cost. Fieldwire offers a free version with limited features, making it great for small teams. But as your team grows and needs advanced tools, its pricing might not scale as competitively as others like Buildertrend or CoConstruct. Fourth, Fieldwire's offline mode is a big plus. You can work without an internet connection and sync later. This is especially handy on remote job sites, but Procore offers similar capabilities with a more robust set of integrations. Next thing, while Fieldwire integrates with tools like Procore and AutoCAD, the number of integrations is limited compared to competitors. If your team relies on a wide array of software, this could be a limitation. The sixth thing is its ease of use. Fieldwire has a simple, intuitive interface, which makes onboarding quick for new users. However, tools like Buildertrend might be better suited for teams managing both field and office operations comprehensively. Seventh, its reporting tools are effective but basic. Generating progress reports is straightforward, but if you need in-depth analytics, you'll likely need to export data or consider a competitor with stronger reporting capabilities. Next thing, Fieldwire's focus on punch list management is a strong selling point. It's highly efficient for tracking issues and ensuring they're resolved. However, it doesn't quite match Procore's end-to-end project lifecycle management. The ninth thing is its mobile-first design. Fieldwire works great on both iOS and Android devices, but some users report smoother performance on Procore's app, particularly for larger projects. Next, customer support is reliable, but live support options are limited compared to alternatives. For example, Buildertrend offers more accessible live chat and phone support. The 11th thing to know is scalability. Fieldwire works best for small to mid-sized projects, but as your business scales, Procore or Buildertrend may better handle the increased complexity. Finally, Fieldwire's focus on collaboration is strong, allowing teams to communicate seamlessly in-app. However, other tools, like PlanGrid, may offer more advanced collaboration features, especially for larger teams. So, is Fieldwire a good choice? Absolutely. It's efficient, user-friendly, and excellent for small to mid-sized construction projects. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution with advanced features and scalability, check out our recommended alternative. It's free to try, and you might find it fits your needs even better.